Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Well guys, this is Asad Yaqub, and out there is a concert by Atif Aslam, famous Pakistani singer. That's him. Okay, yeah. Alright, I'll go to the concert after this video. Well guys, this video is for those who are struggling with Ielts and they want to appear in Ielts exam, but they have no confidence, they are afraid, they are not prepared, mentally not prepared, physically not prepared, actually not prepared, emotionally not prepared, but Ielts is there and they have to do it. Well guys, let me tell you one thing. Whenever you dream or whenever you dream big, the difference between doers and losers is only that losers also have dreams, but they don't have courage to fulfill their dreams. Losers also have big dreams, but they don't have the nerves and confidence to act upon those steps which take them towards their dreams. Now, the thing is, you got to decide whether you're going to be a loser or a doer. Doer is someone who is always doing something, small actions, little disciplines every day, which are going to take you towards your target, and the target is your target band in Ielts. You guys are lucky that your goal is defined. Otherwise, people don't have well-defined goals. Your goal is defined. Goal number 1, Ielts. Goal number 2, your band score in Ielts, right? And you know, the path that takes you towards that. You know what is your success. You know the route to your success. It's only you who are the biggest hurdle on your way or in your way. How? Basically, you're not willing to work out the things. All of us, we desire a lot of things. We desire everything in life, but actually, nature has made a rule, or nature's law is nature doesn't help those who desire. Nature only helps those who deserve. Therefore, instead of desiring, if you deserve a certain band score, you will be able to achieve it if you deserve that. Now I'm going to tell you how to deserve. First of all, let's talk about listening. Take some Ielts listening tests and see where you stand now, because if you know your current location, you can reach your destination, right? If you are aware of your current location, this is how you can measure the distance. What is the distance? At present, I'm getting 5 band in Ielts listening. Okay, what's the target? 7 band. So from 5 band to 7 band, there is 2 band distance, and you have to cover that distance, and you know how to cover. Right? Just see, guys, listen. Do you want to repent in the future? Do you want to be in pain or agony? Do you want to be in the same state, condition, location, people where you are now in the future as well? Or you want to change something about it? If you want to change anything about it, then most definitely you have to take massive action. And you guys are lucky. You know where to take massive action. You have my videos, you have Cambridge Ielts books, you have all the facilities available. Now you need to take that massive action towards the direction, and that direction is going to take you towards your destination. And if you want to repent in your old age, or if you want to repent on your deathbed, I'm sorry, then most definitely don't work hard, don't do anything. We never need to grow the weeds. We never need to grow the grass, weeds, unwanted plants. We never need to grow them. They are the byproduct of not doing anything. So if you want the weeds in your life, if you want the thorns in your life, don't do anything. Leave Ielts. Tell your parents, I don't want to do Ielts. I'm happy with my present, and my present is going to be my future. And I'm happy, I want to live in agony. Right? But if you want to change, most definitely you have to change yourself. It is said, like, what you do in present, that is going to make your future. And what you did in the past, that has made your present, right? So actions which we are going to perform today, these actions are more like seeds we are sowing today. As whatever you sow today, if you're going to sow apple seeds, you will get apples. If you're going to sow banana seeds today, you will get bananas. I know banana doesn't have the seeds, the other stuff, okay? But if you're going to sow something bad today, you're going to reap. And if you don't sow anything, you're going to get the weeds and wild grass and all that. So please, today, your present is a factory where your future is going to be made. If you're going to be a good worker of your present factory, your future is going to be remarkable. Your future is going to be admirable. It is going to be envious future for others. But if you don't do anything, then most definitely you will repent, your parents will repent, and then the time will never come back. And you will have only one word on your mouth, and that will be alas, or I wish I could. I don't want you to say I wish I could. I want you to say I did it. I made it. I achieved it. I accomplished it. I succeeded in that. So for that, you guys need to work hard. Even now, nothing is gone. If you've decided not to take IELTS test, if you've decided not to work hard for IELTS and do something else, come back, guys. IELTS is not that difficult. When I took my first IELTS test in life, I had only 10 to 12 correct answers in listening test. In reading test, I didn't know what to do. Read the questions, read the passage of what to do. I didn't know. And today you guys know me as an IELTS trainer. So this is the struggle of the past that has transformed my present. And what I'm doing now, you guys are watching me. You are in front of my eyes. What I'm doing now, this is going to further transform my future. So this transformation continues till our death. I really wish you all the best, and I want you to do something. Many of you requested me to make Tonic video in English. So if you guys are going to watch this video, if you're going to like it, I'll make more Tonic videos in English as well. Come on, guys. I mean, just not for yourselves. You know, sometimes we live for ourselves, but the good people, they always live for others. Mother Teresa, she lived for others. In Pakistan, Abdul Sattar Idi, he lived for others. Right? There are so many people who live for others. Now stop thinking about yourself. Stop living for yourself. Live for others. And believe you me, then you will find a very powerful motivation, a magnetic power inside you towards the struggle, towards the hard work, and that magnetic power is going to take you towards your destination in the future. All the best. I'm not a motivational speaker. I'm IELTS trainer, but it is important. I mean, I've got great responsibilities on my shoulders. I want you all, those who watch my videos, I want you all to go abroad, to reach your destination country, and to prosper your families, to prosper your countries, to prosper your people, your relatives, your parents. You've got great responsibilities on you. All the best, guys. We also teach IELTS online all over the world and on campus here in Lahore. If you want to be the part of my online or on campus IELTS classes, my WhatsApp number is given. You can contact me for that. Asad Yaqub truly wishes you best of luck. Take care. Allah Hafiz.